Frase claims to be the ultimate AI SEO content tool, but does it really live up to the hype? In a landscape flooded with content solutions, let's see if Frase can actually help you rank higher and create engaging content effortlessly. Frase is designed to streamline the content creation process, especially for those looking to optimize their articles for SEO. At its core, Frase combines AI-driven research and writing capabilities, allowing users to generate content outlines based on targeted keywords. The interface is user-friendly, with a dashboard that feels intuitive even for those who aren't tech-savvy. One standout feature is the content brief generator, which pulls in relevant data from top-ranking articles, helping you understand what works in your niche. However, while the tool is powerful, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep initially. It's clear that Frase targets marketers, bloggers, and SEO professionals, but casual users might feel overwhelmed by its extensive features. There's also a bit of a lack of transparency when it comes to pricing, and I noticed some key details about integrations are missing, which is a bit concerning for potential users wanting a seamless experience. When it comes to the strengths of Frase, the AI-driven insights for content optimization are definitely impressive. The ability to generate structured outlines in seconds can save hours of research time. However, on the flip side, some users may find the interface a bit cluttered, especially during the initial setup. Another point of frustration could be the pricing model. It's not the most transparent, and for small businesses or freelancers, it might feel a bit steep. Additionally, while the tool excels in SEO, those who are looking for a more generalized writing assistant might find it lacks in versatility. Overall, Frase seems best suited for dedicated SEO professionals or content marketers, while casual bloggers may want to explore simple alternatives that don't require as much of a time investment. In conclusion, Frase is a solid choice for those serious about SEO content creation. If you're ready to dive deep into optimizing your articles, it's worth considering. However, if you're just looking for a straightforward writing tool, you might want to check out simpler options. Trust your instincts and choose what fits your needs best.